Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here our T900 Pro Max GL smartwatch, and we already have a tutorial on how to pair it with a support app, the HiWatch Ultra application. And as you can see here, it has a very good screen display, preloaded with several watch faces. Cool looking, professional looking watch faces. On this video, we are going to try and install and of course download additional watch faces for our T900 Pro Max GL smartwatch via the HiWatch Ultra support app. So if you have any questions or if you want to know more about the available watch faces for T900 Pro Max GL smartwatch, just drop a comment below, watch this video, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start and explore the world of watch faces for our T900 Pro Max GL smartwatch. As you can see here, it's already preloaded with several watch faces. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have at least 5 watch faces for our Max GL. If you want to download the new watch face, just open the app HiWatch Ultra. Go to the dial settings. Wait for it to load. Okay, so it is now fully loaded. So we have here several categories. We have digital dial, holiday dial, pointer dial, machine dial, space dial, cartoon dial, and custom dial. So let's check. Digital dial, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 3, 6, 9. At least 11 watch faces is available for our watch face or for our smartwatch. We have holiday dial here, so we have a lot of options. Pointer dial, a analog type watch face. We have machine dial, we only have 4 options here. And space dial, and we also have cartoon dial here, and custom dial. Seems like we do have a lot of options for the custom dial. Later on, we are going to try and download one for our smartwatch. Going back, again, we have digital, holiday, pointer, machine, and space dial. So let's try with the machine dial. I think I like this one. Let's try to install this. Tap on install. Let's wait. It's now loading. Okay. During the dial upgrade process, in order to prevent upgrade from failing, please do not return the app to the background. Got it. And it's now being pushed to our smartwatch. So let's wait for it to finish downloading. Okay, we're almost done here. Okay, our smartwatch restarted. And finally, we have here our downloaded watch face. Nice, beautiful looking watch face so far. And go back. Again, we have here our digital dial. Let's see. Okay, beautiful looking watch face. How about for our custom dial? Let's tap on our custom dial. Let's check. Okay, we'll try this one. Let's try and see if we can select our own photo. Okay, allow. We'll use this one. Let's put it on the center. Check. Then let's see. Okay, we have here our preview of the watch face. Then install. let's wait for it to download. Now it is being pushed to our smartwatch. As you can see here, our smartwatch again switch to download mode. So let's wait for it to finish downloading. Almost done, as you can see here. And our smartwatch restarted. Finally, we have here our custom watch face. Very easy to install. And there are a lot of options here. So several categories for our smartwatch. Okay, several watch face category. Anyways, we have no issues at all or problems for downloading of watch face for our T900 Pro Max GL smartwatch, except that it is a bit slow, okay, compared to other applications. The downloading of watch face is a bit slow, okay. But anyways, the good thing is we have successfully downloaded our custom watch face as well as the additional watch face. But you can only download one watch face at a time, as you can see here. Okay, our previous watch face has been replaced by this custom watch face. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding the setup or downloading of watch faces for your T900 Pro Max GL smartwatch with the HiWatch Ultra support app, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries we do have that time. Bye!